Wow, what's down? It's your boy Nola Be Real. Back at y'all once again. This time we with the family doing a little bowling. You know, we gonna see who doing what, y'all. So y'all know y'all just stay tuned. You know what I'm saying? We got
And
my
like,
kids.
comment, subscribe, and share. Y'all already know.
That way. You know what I'm saying? Oh, you know, that way. So, you know, look, y'all, I got one show because I'm still engine.
Out with the fam.
You know, we both. That's my daughter right there, y'all. Getting it in. The crew. One of them missing. She at school in LSU. She at LSU. One missing. She at LSU. The oldest. So y'all stay tuned. Make sure y'all like, share, subscribe. You hear me? It's on the little family album. Doing something. Ain't nothing else to do. You know. Y'all make sure y'all stay tuned. What's that, boy? Stank, you gotta twist it. You gotta put a little more in. Trying to teach him how to bowl, y'all.
I'm gonna get this one with this 6. This is 6. I'm gonna get this.
That's a 6 pound?
Yeah.
You gonna get it with that one?
Yeah.
Alright, we go see.
It's way lighter.
Alright, we go see.
4 to 4. Okay, he got 8 points.
Alright, yeah.
Dang, come on, Ty.
See, that's a little better right there. That's a little better right there.
His sled
That's a little
about to
better.
go.
Alright, we got the, y'all. See what he doing. Oh, he got a gutter ball. It's alright. I told you, try what I told you. You don't want to try that cheat code. That cheat code. You don't want to try that cheat code. My guy over there bowling pretty good too, y'all. He's a pretty good one. Check him out. He went for it. That cheat code. Watch the baby boy, y'all. Go get that thing for him. They got that kid thing that we can set up. Go get it, Jay. All right, y'all.
What y'all about to make?
Hold that there, Brian.
If you want to learn to do it, you stuck. That's sad, bro. That's sad, bro. I am not using that, bro. I could do better than that. I may need a little help. I can make a strike. Put the ball down. Nah, just leave it right now. I was going to put it up there when it landed. That's not how it's supposed to be. When he put it up there, he just put the ball and it rolled. It's not like this. It has to be laid. Daddy, understand? Daddy, then you have to.
See, so now look with this. You set this if you wanted that. And control it where you want your ball to go. So if you want it right here, you slide it right here. You want it over there, you slide it here. Let your ball go where it gotta go. Don't want to twist. Y'all don't want to put it all right. It's all right. Y'all keep thinking. Bring it in, man. Got the gang, y'all. This the second to the oldest right there, y'all. That's Jay, he the second to the oldest. And we got this guy here, he's the third oldest. Fourth oldest, and it's the youngest. The other one at LSU right now. She throwing gutter balls, y'all, look. She talking all that shit and throwing gutter balls. They don't want to listen, y'all. They don't want to listen to me, y'all. I'm trying to tell them what to do, but they don't want to listen to me. You know what I'm saying? They don't want to listen. 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 So they got to take their lick. Go get the food. Yeah. So yeah, I just wanted to come give y'all a little 5 minutes of the little family footage and stuff what we doing, you know, kicking it. Y'all make sure y'all like, share, subscribe, turn on all post notifications. It's live. You know what I'm saying? We love y'all, man. Y'all stay tuned. We out.